This is the SPARC AR. The SPARC AR sight features a 2 MOA daylight bright dot that is quick to spot and paints your target regardless of lighting conditions or background. The durable anodized aircraft-grade aluminum body is rubber armored and built to handle the most extreme conditions. High-quality, fully multi-coated lenses offer up a clean, wide field of view. Rear-facing controls offer quick access and are viewable from the shooting position. The daylight bright red dot returns to the last intensity used when powered up. The unit operates using a common AAA battery and provides up to 300 hours of power at max brightness. After 12 hours, an automatic shutoff prevents accidental battery rundown. Unlimited eye relief and parallax-free, the SPARC AR gets shooters on target fast. This sight features waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof performance for ultimate durability. Duty rifle, home defense, or recreation. The SPARC AR red dot is built to handle anything you throw at it, and it's covered by the Vortex VIP warranty.
The real Avid Gun Boss Handgun Cleaning Kit is everything you need to care for every handgun you own. One compact, lightweight, yet rugged case contains and organizes the entire system, yet it's small enough to fit any range bag, day pack, or even the pocket of your coat. The two-piece T-handled anodized rod assembles to 9 inches to go the distance in any barrel. There are specific brushes and jags for 22 to 45 caliber, and a universal slotted tip and cleaning patches. And every item has its place in the compact, weather-resistant travel case. The real Avid Gun Boss Handgun Cleaning Kit is ready to go and perform anywhere you and your handguns do.
Hi, this is Paul Neese with Vortex Optics. Today we're here to talk about the Razor 5-20 rifle scope and some of its unique features. We'll begin with this end of the rifle scope. The Razor uses a 50mm objective lens ground from our HD glass and with our premium XR multi-coatings. The Razor has a 35mm oversized main tube which provides a great amount of adjustability for both windage and elevation. The scope is finished in our hard anodized stealth shadow finish. The Razor uses very high-end windage and elevation turrets. The elevation turret does incorporate a zero-stop mechanism which allows the Razor to stop solidly when it's been dialed for elevation. The Razor has a side focus adjustment here for focus and parallax elimination. Very smooth and easy to use. The scope is also in a first focal plane reticle design, which allows for the reticle to maintain constant subtensions when magnification is changed. This is very important for the tactical shooters out there who use these reticles to compensate for holdovers and wind. The reticle is also available in several formats. This scope can be purchased with an MOA reticle, a mil-radian reticle, and also mil-radian reticles that use windage and holdover dots. The scope is also illuminated. It has an 11-position illumination control, which will adjust intensity of the reticle as the viewer is using it. Magnification ring here, again ranging from 5 to 20 power, very smooth and solid, easy to use. And finally, on this end of the rifle scope, we have the ocular focus, which is used to adjust the reticle image to the user. Each user will be slightly different, but this will adjust to get that nice and sharp to your eye. Well, that's been a rundown on the Razor 5-20 rifle scope. If you're looking for a scope built to handle the most extreme long-range shooting situations, the Razor's it. And of course, the Razor's protected by our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime warranty.
The real Avid Gun Tool Pro is loaded with 30 gun maintenance tools in one compact package. No matter the make or model of your gun, optics, or accessories, the Gun Tool Pro's 14 driver bits will handle any screw you'll encounter. And the 1/4-inch bit wrench provides torque to handle the most stubborn customers. There's even a removable magnetic storage container to keep parts and pins from disappearing. Installing or adjusting optics, removing stuck choke tubes of any gauge, punching and replacing pins, smoothing burrs. The Gun Tool Pro provides the precise mission-built tools for these jobs, and more. The real Avid Gun Tool Pro. This is the gun tool your daddy wishes for.